Hey, what's up, everybody? So I've been talking about this stock pretty much all day. I went live talking about this stock, and I'm going to make a video about this stock because it's moving. It's moving. ASST. Real big news for the past few days. Some people have bought millions of shares in this stock, and it's been doing good. You see all this buying volume right here. A lot of interest in this stock. Here's the weekly chart. Went up, down, came down again, and now it looks like it's back on its way back up again. A lot of volume right here. A lot of volume on October 27th, which is today. It's up a lot right now. It was down at 133 earlier today, and it hit the 181. So if it comes down, I'm not surprised. It's been on a tear today, like huge on a tear. Who knows though? The resistance for this stock is 193. Can we hit that before close today? Or can we hit that after hours? Don't know. But, it's up a lot. It broke through a lot of resistance today. It broke through 4 resistance today from, 11:30? Let's say 12 o'clock. From 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock, it's been breaking a lot of resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4 resistance it broke in just a few hours, right? So yeah, this stock ASST, real big news, 179 to 180. But like I said before, there's resistance at 193. So, if you got in earlier today around the 144 or even the 150 area, you're in some money. You made some money. A lot of green here on the times and sales. And as you can see right here, Vivek Ramaswamy back Strive AST stock surging today. He's back in the stock. The company is leaning harder in its new identity as a Bitcoin-focused asset manager, and the market clearly liked the move. So yeah, the stock is doing real good. It's going toward the crypto market, Bitcoin. And here's some more news. Strive, the name of the company for ASST. Strive shares soar 33% on Monday after Mike Alfred announced stake of 1 million shares, right? So it has a lot of reason to move. And here's the stock profile. ASST, the stock ticker for Strive Incorporated, a company that has recently shifted its strategy to focus heavily on holding Bitcoin. It is a result of a merger between Asset Entities Incorporated and Strive Enterprises. Bitcoin holdings, the company Bitcoin Treasury, is a significant part of its valuation. A recent report states it holds approximately 10,900 Bitcoin after the merger. Following the merger, the company announced its new strategy to become a Bitcoin holding and marketing company. So that's why the stock is moving the way it is. A lot of people are backing it because, it's in the crypto realm now. It's in the crypto realm, so, it's going to be pretty huge. But like I said, it's coming down a little bit right now. But I wanted to get on because it's making big moves. But support, I would say, based on the recent move that it just went up a lot just now, the support may be around the 165 area because it just made a huge pump. Once it hit a huge pump, it's going to come down a little bit, right? And the resistance, it struggled at the 180. So, draw 180 resistance right there. Just delete this one real quick so we can get more clarity. We have the 165 support. Then maybe another one, I would just say 170. I'll save the 170 support. And like I said, the resistance is there. 181, 193, and the 215. That's going to be resistance for ASST. So all day, pretty much, it was consolidating. I was waiting for it to pump. It's only a matter of time. I've been talking about it on Discord. I've been talking about it on the YouTube live when I went earlier. One of the members of my channel found it. So I took a look at it, and I saw a lot of potential. And that's why I got in on it. I got in and bought this stock around 140. So when the market opened, I bought it around 140. And then I've been holding on to it since then. I bought a little bit more when it went down to 139 because I knew it was consolidating right here from 150 area to the 132. It was consolidating in that area. So that's why I knew, it's only a matter of time. It's consolidating. What goes up must come down, as you can see. There's profit taking right there. But it's not the end of the world. Not the end of the world, right? That's how stocks go. You buy support down here where it's consolidating at. and then you sell at the top. And that's what everybody else is doing. You know, it bought down here in this area and bought a lot of shares, probably bought some calls. And then when this pump happened from 149 to 180, they took profit. And that's what's going on right now. That's why you see the red candlestick coming down some. Coming down, 167 right now. But what you want to see is where is the support for the stock. So you watch it and you wait and see what's going to happen, right? So I have the support at 158, 165. Right now, it's a little bit below it, but we want to see it hold it. And that's the main thing about these stocks. That's why I'm a big fan of support and resistance, right? It was at 181, a strong resistance. Broke the support at 170, broke the support at 165, and now what is it doing now? Big volume coming in, trying to break back the resistance at 165, trying to break the 170 again. Will it happen? We'll see. We'll have to see what happens. And when you play these stocks, you gotta play it and be calm about it. You know, if you believe in a stock, you believe in a company, wait and see what happens. Wait and see what happens. And you know, this stock could go up a lot more. Can go up a lot more, you know, but when the stock goes up fast, you are going to have some, you know, some selling. You're going to have some selling when the stock goes up so fast, like the way it is. Just yesterday, it was at 90 cents, right? So we're having a lot of these stocks under $1 go up. It's a big trend going on, right? I can name a whole bunch of them, but it was at 90 cents just yesterday. So it went from 90 cents all the way to 176 from yesterday, the pre-market, and after hours. So that's a big move. So what's naturally going to happen is going to consolidate for a while until all the profit taking is done. That's what it did in this area right here. And once it's done profit taking, done consolidating, it can move up some more. So, you know, sometimes you have to wait and be patient. That's just what happened right there. Let's check out the 5-minute chart. So yeah, a lot of volume going on. ASST, there's a 170 resistance. Can it break 170 resistance? We got to see what happens. It's 322. Still got some time before close. I'm very curious how this is going to be after hours. Very curious because I know a lot of people are going to put this stock on their radar because the amount of volume. We have almost 1 billion volume in this stock. It probably will finish over 1 billion. All right. So, you know, when you have that much volume, it's going to be put on the map. A lot of people are going to start paying attention to the stock and they may want to get in. Right. We're up 53%. That's going to put it on the map as well. A lot of attention probably will come to the stock. So that's why I'm very curious to see what's going to happen after hours and the week to come. I like this stock because a lot of volume. And to me, it's probably still early, you know, still early. So in 2 days, really, that went up a lot. Or you say 3 days if you count this one right here. Went from 78 cents to 88 cents. So you could say 3 days. But, you know, I think we're probably still early. And the resistance I have on here, if it does go, you know, much higher and pump, you know, probably a $3 area. And then the last one, major resistance is going to be at the 445. So if it goes at $3 or 445, that means that we're still early in the stock. Is it time to buy right now? 50-50 because we are up a lot. You know, we are up a lot. But if you don't buy, make sure you keep it on watch. See if there's any dips you may want to get in. Definitely a stock to keep on your radar. ASST, Strive. All right, everybody, take care. Keep that stock on watch. And all the other stocks that we talk about, keep it on watch because you never know when it's going to go up. Take care. Subscribe. Join the Discord. See you there.